I help people lose weight. I help people feel good. Gonna give you guys some tips and tricks. I'm here to answer any questions I can for you guys on weight loss, nutrition, exercise, so on and so forth. I know a lot of people the last couple of years have gained weight, have gained a lot of weight due to COVID and complacency and working from home and not being very mobile and all those good things, I know, but it's okay. It's time to get it off, time to start feeling better. Make that change back to who you want to be, to where you want to be in your weight loss journey. Any tips on to change your mindset? I feel I get too motivated. I get so motivated and almost forgetfully unmotivated. That's a good question. So you've heard the term 30 days to change a habit. It's really 66 days is the newest study on how to change some habits. There's a few things. This is a great question, by the way. There's a few things. Number one, in my group, and I'm not really pushing my group at this point in time, but in my group, we have everybody in a community, right? So that is a tremendous piece to helping people stay on track and stay motivated and seeing so many success stories because everyone's in the community. So right now there's over 1,400 people in my weight loss community. So that obviously is a big factor on people's success. There's something called like habit combining where you take habits that you're already doing and combine them with habits that you want to start doing. So let's say it's drinking a glass of water or drinking more water. Combine that to a habit stacking it's called actually. Combine it to a habit that you're already doing, like before you brush your teeth, drink a glass of water, or after you do this, drink a glass of water. And that'll help create newer habits for you, attaching them to habits that you're already doing. And the reason I'm saying this is because that'll help keep you on track and keep you motivated and knowing that you're going to continue to do the right things and continue to stay on track and continue to have that weight loss or weight come off. Hope those tips help. That's a great question.